Merry Christmas, everybody. Hey YouTubers, hey subscribers. Shiploads down to Cambridge Park today, looking for candy canes so we can do a Guinness World Record attempt on hanging the most candy canes on a Christmas tree within 2 seconds. But they only had tinsels and Christmas lights, bonbons and more Christmas lights. And so we got to the counter and I had no edible candy canes. But I did buy a cherry Coca-Cola, it tastes like Dr. Pepper. And then we went to Smith's Pies down the back of the fire department down there at Cambridge, and I got a cheese and bacon pie. We're going to make a golden candy cane and we're going to put it in the video. If you want to comment and tell us where it is in the video, let us know in the comments below. And we're also going to cover a candy cane in gold, and we're going to do it at the end of the video, and we're going to see if our friends watch us and tell us that they watched the video and let us know that they've seen the golden candy cane. Edible gold on the candy.
This one's broken. But one of them not broken.
Oh no, I just broke it trying to open it. Okay, we're going to have to be a bit more careful.
Right there.
There we go, then break this one. Okay, now, the easiest way to get the gold on there would be to dip it in water. We need some water. You dip it in.
And now we're dipping candy cane in.
And then we should be able to just
stick it on there. It should just work.
It could take a while. It's going to take forever. What happens if we lay it out on a plate and then dip it in that way? How do I get it out? Oh, that feels so
It's
soft.
yummy in the thing.
It feels so soft.
Is it made to dip this in water again?
Yeah. Yes, that's the way to do it quickly. You just dip it. The golden candy cane. Okay, so this is what we're
A
looking
gold one.
That's what it's looking like so
Wait,
far.
the bottom's good on it, and the top.
It's a bit dark in here. This is how much we've got covered so far.
Yeah.
Is it looking goldy?
We need this thing. Oh, the Goldilocks. Yeah.
Yeah, we need more gold.
Don't measure it.
No, it's alright. See, way too much. Stop putting your fingers in it.
No, dirty.
Yeah, that's what I said. Stop putting your fingers in it.
I don't know. Put my fingers in it.
Alright, I think we're covered. That's about as covered as we're going to get.
Now we're doing another candy cane. Now we've got to try the candy cane. Can I try it?
No, we've got to hide it in the video so people can find it. So, keep an eye out for the golden candy cane. We'll go and hide it.